free website hosting and domain, just go to Google. From Google search, come and then type in seek a host WordPress hosting, and then come and select seek a host WordPress hosting, and then hit enter. When it comes, go through and then come and select the official site of seekahost.app. So 100% free website hosting. Come and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here to their website, and then come and then click on see our best plans. Okay, so you have to come and then select the free WordPress hosting. Okay, so from here you can see we have free WordPress hosting, which comes along with all of these. Okay, and then the amazing aspect of it is that it is totally free and you pay $0 per month. So simply come and then click on get now. So when you click on it over here, it is going to ask you to log into your account, but if you don't have an account, simply come here to where it says sign up and then come and click on it. So when you click on sign up, you have to create a new account by putting your first name, your last name, you put your email address, you come and create a strong password, and then you confirm it, and then come and check the box to agree to your terms of service, and come and then check this box for them to know that you are not a robot. Okay, then come and then click on create new account. Beside that one, you can come and then click on any of these, especially with Google, and then you come and then choose your Google account to create your account. That one is fast by clicking on continue. Okay, so after that, you have all these to go through. Since I'm going to teach you how to do it, you can come here to where it says skip, and then come and then click on the skip. Okay, and then come and then fill these informations and come and click on continue to subscribe. So as you can see, we have successfully created our free account, and now we can simply come here to where it says create a blog and then come and click on it. So to create a blog, we are going to create a website with the WordPress. Okay, so where we have WordPress site, come and make sure that that one is selected by clicking on it. So it says no blog, create new one, come and then click on it, and then over here you have to come and then add your domain to it. I'm having a full video on my channel showing you how to get a free domain. Watch that video if you don't have a domain, and then come and then put it right here. After that, come to the category and then make sure that default is selected. Okay, so after that, come and then put in your blog title there, and then come and make sure that the blog visible is checked, it is visible. And then after that, over here, make sure that the free WordPress is selected, and it is simple as that. And then come and then check the box to agree to your terms and services, and come and then click on add blog, and that is it. You have your website created. Like the video and then see you in my next video.